Hello all, welcome to Kerala Antics YouTube channel. This is Ashok. On every video, we will be discussing about an antique item of various time period. And today's video, we are seeing a bronze oil lamp, or commonly called as kuthuvilakku in South Tamil Nadu. This particular lamp is from South Tamil Nadu. For specific, we can say that this lamp is from Thirunelveli or Nagarkovil area. Come on, let's see in detail about this lamp. This lamp has 4 wick and having a engraved and detailed parrot on the top. You can see 2 parrots sitting on the top hood of this lamp, and we can see a flower on the top of it. And this lamp is made up of bronze, and we can see the detailed engraving on the parrots. In this lamp we can see the craftsmanship of that period on this lamp. Even the feathers of the parrot is visible in this lamp, and we can clearly see the beaks, and it is not in a sheet metal or thing. It was made at the time of casting itself, and from both sides it is visible. And we have seen that there's a small design given on the, and the wick plate is having a provision for 4 wicks. And we can pour oil this lamp. Usually vegetable oil such as gingerly oil is used in South Indian lamps. After that we can see the lamp stem. The lamp stem itself has 6 faces, and we can see an agarbatti stand holder. Usually agarbattis are used in pujas, so that we can place that in ocean. And below that we can see the base plate, and in this base plate we can see engraved letters on that, and which signifies that it is minimum 70-80 years old. This lamp can be dismantled into 3 pieces, and they are connected by the means of thread mechanism. Hope you all liked my video. Thanks for watching. Please check my Instagram page for more details and description about more antiques. My link is given in the description box. My Instagram page is Kerala_antics, Kerala Antics. We'll meet you in another beautiful video of Kerala Antics. Thanks for watching. This is Ashok.